So we're looking at mulches now. So this is the sugarcane mulch. This is something that I might use on my veggie garden. It's got a bit of organics in it. It also helps to retain the moisture when we're watering our veggies, and this will help them grow. When we're looking at mulches though, for your general garden, you're looking at a depth of between 50 and 100 mil, so that it retains moisture and helps plants grow. Be a bit careful of getting really fresh new mulch, because it can actually leach out tannins, which won't help your plants, but it also can make your garden a little bit toxic. So we've got to be aware of that. So it's, again, going to your landscape centres, garden centres, and asking for advice about the types of mulch. Tell them what you're doing in your garden and ask for advice on which sort of mulch you might be able to use. With this tree that we've just planted, we've got a garden bed that's already established. The soil for this plant was beautiful as we dug the hole, and we've got mulch here that's been here for a little while. It's broken down, and again, we just make sure we don't have it too close to the stem, but we've got a mulch applied around the plant to help retain a bit of the moisture.